Welcome to the European Robotics Forum 2002. 2003. 2023. All right. I promised you a laugh. That was it.
But here's the thing, Ebbe. You have what we call home court advantage because you're literally the only one who knows the route. But you did run the route, yeah?
No, but I've seen the map.
Fair enough.
But I know the road. So.
Don't worry, guys. It's going to be somewhere between 5 and 25 kilometers. You know, it's not a problem.
So I'm with Oliver Pedersen at the Danish tech from I'll get it right. So I will get it right. Laurel and Hardy, Christian and Morten. You've now become. Sorry.
Who's who? Who's who?
Who's who? Yeah, good question. Okay.
Would you please hold?
Hermed er banneret ophængt.
I love it when a plan comes together.